Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Tangem wallet. So guys, just follow me in this video and let's get started. The first, guys, open your Revolut app and click this option, as you can see here, this option, and after that click send, this send option. And what you have to do, guys, choose the currency you want to send, for example USDT, and click add wallet here, address. And after that, choose your network here, USDT network, and write your address from here. After that, guys, what you have to do, all you have to do, go to Tangem wallet and click on wallet and click three dot line here, as you can see here, guys, and choose manage token from here. After that, you search for USDT here, USDT, as you can see here, guys. And after that, what you have to do, guys, choose the Tether here, USDT. And after that, guys, copy the address from, or scan the QR address code. And after that, go back to Revolut wallet and copy the address and make sure this network is USDT and on Tether, and click continue. After that, guys, click send option, right amount you want to send, you choose amount and click send, and verification your address here, make sure you have a right address. This is how you can do, guys, to make this transaction from Revolut to Tangem wallet. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give a like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Guys, any question down below in the comment and I will answer your question as soon as possible.